Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So this door here has a problem where it's dragging. It's not closing properly. So looking at the door, it's a metal frame, so more than likely nothing is sagging. But if we open the door, you can see the marks down here where it's dragging. And you can see how it doesn't close properly. So my plan here will be to take a grinder. I'm going to grind this down here, grind it flat, and then hopefully that's going to fix this issue. But before I go ahead and grind this, what we'll do is we'll take a real quick look at this threshold. Okay, so the threshold is solid. We don't see any movement in the screw. Right here is solid. I thought that maybe this was loose, but that's not the issue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a grinder, and right where these the marks are, I'm just going to grind this down, and that should fix this problem. So what we'll do now is the tools list. Alright, this is our tools list. So I have an angle grinder, earplugs, and then safety glasses. Guys, like always, let's be safe. But the plan here will be just to grind down the threshold until the door moves in and out freely. So when grinding down the threshold, grind, test the door, grind some more if you need to, test the door, and just rinse and repeat until the door closes fairly smoothly. Alright, so I've ground down the threshold, so we'll see how it works. There you go. Now the door is once again easy to close. So this threshold is aluminum. Actually, everything here is aluminum, so it doesn't rust, and also for weight. But if you notice that your door is hard to close, that means it's dragging somewhere. In this case, it was the bottom threshold. It could be on the top, bottom, sides, or somewhere. Look for scuff marks, and all you need to do is shave down a little bit or sand down if it's wood accordingly, and you should be good to go. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.